Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 11th August to 15th August 2025. So let's go straight to our charts. So first let's see what happened in gold on Friday. So as you can see 0.06% positive move, 3397.89 was the closing on Friday. So what are my expectations? I will let you know, and also I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better SL and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check the weekly chart first. So here I've already opened the weekly chart. As you can see in the weekly chart, we can see a small to medium sized body and a bullish candle. This is a bullish candle with a small lower and upper wick. As you can see, a small lower wick and upper wick is there. Also, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is at a oversold area, which tells us or which indicates us a upside move. But as I have always said, we should not always depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support and resistance zones on our daily chart. So here I've already opened the daily chart, and as you can see there are a bit of markings already there, but due to some data changes I can see there are some changes in the data. So this will help me to change the levels accordingly. So let me just change that levels. Also I would recommend you also change the levels whatever I'm marking, so that you can also take this important support and resistance zone as your trade, and accordingly you can plan your trade. So also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. So the levels are now marked, and let's now talk about the closing. So the pair closed at 3397.89. As you can see, closing was 3397.89. Here the direct support is 3375 and direct resistance is 3403. After direct support there is a support of 3350 and then 3327. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 3425 and then 3450. So these are both important support and resistance zones. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. So let's now talk about my opinion in gold USD pair. And also, according to the previous week closing, I'm expecting a negative closing which is around in this range, that is 3375 to 3403. That is a no trading zone. I'm expecting a closing in this range, but if the volume increases we can see a closing in this range also. So do check the volume data during the day and accordingly plan a trade. My expectation is negative side. Also, if you're planning for any upside move or a positive side trade, just look for the Friday's high closing. That is the Friday was 34,408.9 was the closing on Friday, and if the high gets breached and a one day candle close above it, we can see a 34.25 easy move till 34.25 by the next day. So do consider that. Also, my expectation is negative. What are your expectation? To let me know in the comment section. Do follow me for more such analysis, and if you did like my analysis, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.